Ha ha! So it's not for dragging it out of the woods. Didn't think so. It's a fully loaded trailer. I'd have to use my truck, but to park it back there behind that carport is a little challenging at times. So I'm going to try it with this four-wheeler. What a nifty idea. Eh? Looks like it's adjustable too. Up or down as far as, you know, you could change your pin height. 2-ball system. Cool. Might buy this thing myself. Nah, I just got rid of one. It would just sit around and do nothing. Let me see if I could park this first time. I'm going back here in this little spot. And it is tricky sometimes. So, let's give it a whirl. Only because the truck is so long, you know, you get close to everything. I think this is going to work. It's going to work just fine. Beautiful, huh? Oh, that works like a charm. Shit. That's perfect.